Are you ready to place your book on pre-order? You don't even need to be fully done with the manuscript. You can have it up on pre-order and gathering sales if you're bold, okay? I'm going to show you how to put your book on pre-order right now. www.kdp.com. It's going to take you here. Now you can see a little bit of information here at the bookshelf. You can make a Kindle ebook on KDP, or you can make a paperback book on KDP. There's a couple different ways that you can create a book cover. One is on Canva, and the other way is here on KDP, on Kindle. In order to pre-sale, have your book ready for pre-sales, you need a book cover. That's really all you need is a book cover. So I'm going to show you how you can create your book cover right here on KDP.
Hi, I'm Kelly from Amazon, and I'm going to walk you through using Cover Creator on KDP for your Kindle ebook or paperback covers. If you intend to use Cover Creator for both formats, we recommend that you write down your design choices so that you can create an identical ebook and paperback cover. You want your book to have an eye-catching cover, but maybe you do not have the tools to create your own professional-looking design. Cover Creator can help with this. There are 3 primary steps. You will choose your design, customize your style, and then preview your work. First, you'll be prompted to upload an image from your computer or select one from your image gallery. We will start out by uploading our own. Make sure you have the rights to use the image for your cover. When you use your own image, use a professional, high-resolution photo. Remember, if you make the image larger than its original size, you will reduce the resolution, so it's best to use an image that fits the template you choose. Once you upload, Cover Creator can help design the rest, using templates. Paperback books will have a front cover, back cover, and spine included in the templates, while an ebook will only have a front cover. You will spend most of your time on the Style and Edit tab. Even if you upload your own image, you may be curious what's in the image gallery. These images are available to all publishers, so take your time here and test a few options. If you see an image that works for your book's content, click Use this image. I found the right one, so I'll keep going. Now let's design the cover around the image. We recommend you choose your layout first, then choose the colors and fonts after that. You can start over anytime within the design you've chosen. Try different layouts and select the one you like best. To get you started with selecting colors, check out the preset color schemes. They're designed to work well together. You can also select the colors manually, but make sure the text colors contrast enough so that the text will still be legible. Do you like your color choices? Then it's time to pick your fonts. You can get font ideas from other books in your genre or anywhere else that suits your taste. Just remember that your font must be big enough and clear enough to be easy to read, even in thumbnail form on the web. Cover Creator imports both the title and the author. Please leave this information as is. What you list on your cover should match what you list in the account. If you're working on a paperback book, your template will include space for the book's description and author bio depending on the template. You can add this text by pasting directly into the text box. Here you'll see that we've also added an author image. You're almost done. Click the orange preview button to see how it looks. If you don't love what you see, you can start over as often as you like. If you're happy with your book's cover, you can save and submit to return to your book content page. In the book content section of your KDP account, you should see your cover with a thumbnail of your design. We hope you've enjoyed creating your cover. Happy publishing.
Let's try to make a cover really quick. An ebook can be placed on pre-sale. So you're just going to push the plus sign for ebook. Let's make a book title. And this is the title of If you have a subtitle for your book, go ahead and put the subtitle in. This is probably your first book if you're watching this 101 class, so you probably don't need series information or edition or anything like that. Go ahead and put your name in as the author. You would only need to add contributors. You would only need to add contributors if someone was, co-authoring this book with you. Go ahead and make a description. Okay, go ahead and add a description. You can always edit the description later. Just add one now. You own the copyrights. This is all your work. It's not public domain. It's not something from like the early 1900s. But this is your work. Enter some keywords. It's optional, but you want to go ahead and enter some keywords. Think of things that people would look for if they were looking for your book. So okay, and you can use up all of them. I would recommend, I'm just going to do 3 for now, but you can use up all of them. So if yours was poetry, you might want to write poetry, Christian poetry. Write things that are relevant to your book, okay? Now you want to have browse categories, okay? So I'm going to check fiction, because that book is going to be a fiction. African American, and I'm going to choose Christian. Christian suspense. Okay, so you can choose 2 categories. Fiction, Christian, suspense. If it was a children's book, you would put the age range. If not, you don't need to worry about that, or grade if it's not for children. So you're not ready to release your book yet, but you want to make your Kindle ebook available for pre-order. So go ahead and click that button. And now you can select your release date. Let's say August, and let's make it the 1st. Right? So you're going to be doing your writing sprints every day, and then your ebook is going to be ready August 1st. Now, if your ebook releases on August 1st, that means you have to have it ready for July 28th, 2020 by 11:59 p.m. And I'm GMT. So we're going to save and continue. All right, now here's some of the questions that you're going to answer, and I'm going to tell you which way to answer on some of these. So you've got your date. For DRM, I suggest you choose no. Digital rights management, that just means that Kindle's going to make sure no one copies your book and makes it digitally, that's not a real word, but digitally available. Now you would think saying yes, you want them to restrict it would be better, but actually people end up still being able to copy your book who are like in China or whatever. But people who need to like be able to download your book to like their iPad, or maybe they don't use like the products sold by Amazon, the Kindle reader, maybe they don't use that. So if that DRM is on there, they're not going to be able to download it to their iPhone. It's going to make it very frustrating to people. So just say no on DRM rights, okay? Don't worry about people stealing your book. If they're really hacking like that, they're going to get it. But you just won't, your customer, the user, won't be able to have a good experience with the book, because people really don't even buy those e-readers like that from Amazon anymore, because they're using what they already use, their iPad, their iPhones, their Galaxy tablets. So you want to make sure that it's not locked up with the digital rights management to where they can't use it. Okay. Ready to upload your pre-order manuscript? Now, if you want, you say no. Okay, you can say no. I'll upload the file I want customers to receive later before the submission deadline. And here's where you get that video that we just watched. Here's where you can launch Cover Creator. So you'll launch Cover Creator. Just hit continue. So you can find an image from your computer, or you can find an image from their gallery. Okay. So they've got like all kinds of stuff, backgrounds, abstract nature, or if you wanted architecture, ruins. How much? Oh, that's not the kind of ruins I was thinking of. Health and beauty, fashion, relationships. Let's see, friends. And I'm just going to use this for now. This is not going to be like my final book cover. But just so you guys can see. And it's going to place it on the book for you. It's going to place your name where it would go. Now you can fiddle around with it if you want to, but if not, or you can just use it as they lay the design out. If you don't like the way it looks, you can always hit the back button. And you'd have to launch the Cover Creator again. Trying to do something for the type of book I have. Okay, so now you guys get the picture. If there's anything you want to change, you can click on it. You could add a subtitle here. It's going to be a little bit limited as to what all you can change when you use their Cover Creator. You can preview it. Sometimes it takes a minute to preview. Okay, boom. They've made me a cover. I can save it and submit at the bottom. Now, this is just one way to do a cover, okay? This is probably the easiest way. If anyone wants me to show you additional ways, I can. But for now, we're going to do like the easiest way. See what happens if we hit save and continue. Sometimes when you go into the Cover Curator and you come back, the things you already checked off have been unchecked. You have to do it again. All right, so then you'll need to move on, and this is where you'll have to pick royalties. This is where you will decide if you want to put your book in what's called KDP Select. KDP Select, if you choose KDP Select, then your book can only be on Kindle sold through Kindle and on Amazon for the first 90 days when you release your book. And in order to get it out of KDP Select, you'll have to go in there and change it. But as long as it's in KDP Select, hopefully this makes sense, but as long as it's in KDP Select, you can participate in different promotions that they have, which they'll let you do these Kindle countdowns where you can sell your book for 99 cents and they'll put it before people and kind of, do not coupons, but they'll kind of advertise it for you for free. There's a couple things you can do if you choose that. But if you choose that option, they will help you do some free promotions. But you will not be allowed to sell, like you can't have your KDP book on your own site or anything like that. This is just the ebook. Choose all territories, so it'll be available worldwide. Select a royalty plan, and I would go ahead and select the 70% royalty plan. And then you'll add a price to your book. Keep in mind that ebooks are between $2.99 to $9.99. This is your ebook. This isn't the paperback, okay? You can't do a pre-sale on the paperback. But once you've got the ebook done, then you'll be able to do the paperback. You can allow your customers to do Kindle lending. All right, and so if my account information was complete, then I would be able to go ahead and hit the button submit for pre-order. All right, so hopefully you guys are ready for pre-sale. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.